I'm about to show y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Got a package in, and I'm going in. Hey, yeah. I cannot rap. That was so whack. I don't even know why I did that.
Jingle bell, bell, bell,
Good afternoon, y'all. It's Kim. I just want to say happy early Thanksgiving. Before I start with this vlog, I have some great news, by the way. I will no longer have this terrible lighting. I got me a package, y'all, and I'm about to show y'all what it is. I'm pretty sure y'all already know what it is, but I'm excited. I ain't never been this excited for a package in a very long time. Besides when Fashion Nova comes in, that's about it. I'm doing this for y'all because I love y'all. I love all my supporters. I love you all. I love you all. I'm about to show y'all. Hey, hey, hey. Got a package in, and I'm going in. Hey, yeah. I cannot rap. That was so whack. I don't even know why I did that. Yeah, that's how it feels when I'm opening this. This box is so tough to open. Y'all ready? So I already gave it away by taking this out first, but I'm pretty sure you know where this is going. Oh, Jesus. And look, it has the 3 things where I can adjust it and make it taller. Like, wait, these can't be facing the right way if I do that. I'm gonna show y'all how to assemble it as well. So if you need help doing that, I can help you out. Your girl got you back. Alright, so that's the first thing. Ooh. Then it comes with a carry case. This comes with a carrying case. Wow, okay. Wow, this is so big. I didn't think this was this big. But it's huge. Your girl got her ring light, y'all. I really just needed the 14-inch, but this is the 18-inch. But I'm gonna let y'all know what I think is best. So that, because I wish I had somebody to tell me what to get. And then they said, you know what? Let me also throw in a nice goodie bag for you with all your goodies in it. So let's see what's in here. Because I totally forgot what it all comes with. But I will definitely put it in the description box. Let y'all know all the details. For those of you who do not know what to order. Because like I said, I wish I had some money. Comes with these. It's like, let me show y'all what it is. These are like, this is like the white cover for it, because you don't want to just put this on and not have anything covering that light. So that's what you use these for. And then I got my orange ones. These are like if you want the light a little bit dimmer to look a little bit more orange. I know a lot of makeup, like if you're doing makeup, is good for that. It's the same, but you just put it, you just take one off and put it back on. Alright, so that's that. And then, this is what is this? This is oh, this is what you connect to make it taller. I think this is what you do to make it taller. And this is for, oh, this is the little Bluetooth remote shutter remote thingy. That's how that looks or whatever. This is to hold your cell phone if you're recording with your cell phone. I know I am. What is this for iPhone 2? Because this would not fit an iPhone 7. Y'all, I'm sorry. It stretches. I didn't notice. Ooh, I'm about to get so mad. I got the charger that goes with it. I think it's required to be plugged in if you're gonna use it. Or, you know what? I think it said something about it just being a charger. It probably doesn't need to even be plugged. And this right here is to hold the camera. But anyways, let me try to put this together so I can show y'all how it looks and how tall it is. I'm gonna let y'all know if it's good quality, all that. Happy birthday to you.
Boy, if you don't.
Happy birthday to you. Ooh. 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 And the light goes dim, bright, really bright. Oh my goodness, it goes so bright. And it goes dim, and that's how you turn it off. There's a little button right in the back here that you can use that does that. And then I just use a little thing and I put my phone right here. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that bell for more videos so you can get the push notifications. And subscribe to my channel, you guys. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your cousins, tell everybody. Tell them all. But thank y'all for watching my video. I will see you all next time. Bye.